Hello and welcome. This is Joe from the Cell Phone Geek. So today we're gonna go and talk about this is one of the stylus. So this is kind of like the Apple Pen, but this is the one that is set up for fine with a fine tip, so you can use it for drawing on Photoshop or selecting stuff from within your iPad. So I'm gonna unbox this one today here. Slide it open and see what we get in the box. It's kind of set up like the Apple box. Slides out. Got a couple extra tips that go on the end of the pen. Got your little user manual, a thank you card, and if you have any issues to contact them with a 1-year warranty. We also have a USB to the new USB-C adapter for charging, as well as the pen here. So we take the pen out. So this is the pen. So this is very similar, similar concept to the Apple Pen, but this one, like I said, has a finer tip. So it's if you want to get finer detail when you're drawing in Photoshop or writing paper, this one will give you a little more control on with the finer tip. As you can see, the tip's pretty fine on this pen. So we got the charging ports here. This here is a light. It will turn green once it's charged, ready to be used, and it will be red when it needs to be charged. The top here has a rubber head on it, so you can touch it here. When I touch it, you see it turns blue, so it is ready to be used. It is turned on. So as that's pretty much it with the look and function of the pen here. So I'm going to go ahead and try to connect this to my iPad when you guys are here with me. So I'm going to go through the manual here real quick. It says the battery on this pen is good for 20 hours. So you'll be able to use it for your iPad for 20 hours before it needs a recharge. If you lightly tap the top of the pen here, which I did, that's where that blue light came on. That turns it on. And it says when you touch the top again, the pen will enter the shutdown state. Otherwise, it'll automatically turn off after so much time. Otherwise, looks like should be good to go. So I got my iPad here, so I'm going to go ahead and open it up. Let's see if we can do this. I'm going to go ahead and click on like the weather here. Let's see if we can get it to do anything. This is an iPad Air 2. So I'm not sure 100% if this is one of the supported devices, but I would imagine it should be. It doesn't seem to be doing anything. I don't think I need to connect with Bluetooth or anything. I don't think it's a Bluetooth device. So it's not a Bluetooth device, but I'm not sure why it doesn't come up with anything. According to the manual here, it says it's compatible with the iPad Air version 3. Okay, so yeah, so it's not compatible with my iPad, is what we are getting to here. So there's a list of devices that it's compatible with. So if your iPad is in this list, so the iPad Pro, iPad Minis, and the 3rd generation of the iPad Air, it'll work with. Otherwise, you're out of luck. It won't work with any of the other iPads, which as you can see, my iPad Air 2 or version 2, it is not compatible with. So that's a bummer on my part, but I'll have to use my wife's iPad and try it on there. Otherwise, yes, that is the list of compatible devices. So that is the new Stylus Pen that's similar to the Apple Air Pen. So I'll leave a link in the description below if you're interested in getting it. It is about half the price of a regular iPad pen or Apple Pen, and check it out for yourself. Thanks. Have a great day. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll catch you next time.